Hello guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee. You are in my live resume review. We're getting started in a minute. If you can see me live, make sure to comment on the chat. Let me know what's your name, where you're from, and when was the last time you went to the gym. Just say hi in the chat because I want to make sure that it's actually working on both YouTube Live and LinkedIn Live. Just say hi. If you can see me live, just say hi in the chat. Okay, so let me see, let me confirm on YouTube Live, LinkedIn Live, it should be available. Yeah, we are live on LinkedIn. Yeah, say hi in the chat so you can see me. Say hi. Veda from Austin, Texas. Armin, how are you? And say hi. Yes. I also have two people on Zoom with me to do live resume review. Welcome. Mudif, how are you? Yeah, I saw your message. So looks like all the technology is working. What's your name? Looks like YouTube's live as well. Yeah. Rich and also Pavam. Yeah, I saw your message as well. So it looks like we're all working in all the places. This is awesome. So let's do this. Let me get started with today's free resume review. Let me share my slides. Okay, so we're getting started and also go through today's agenda. If you see me live on both YouTube Live and LinkedIn, I can say hi in the chat. What's your name? Where you from? When was the last time you went to the gym? I like to learn about you guys. And if any other additional questions, feel free to comment on the chat when I answer all the live questions. And now today we do live resume review. However, I'd love to share any inspiring stories with everybody who's also in the process of landing a dream PM job offer. This is actually one of my students, Kanam. Himself is a data science background, data science consultant for 2 years, and also worked for Applied Materials, came from those traditional industries. So currently, last month, he just started his new job as Senior Product Manager at Walmart. Okay, and what I want to highlight is his background and also then a senior PM job. Okay, there's lots of people, even lots of layoff PMs wasn't able to land a job nowadays. People might be thinking, well, maybe there's no opportunities out there. No, actually, there's a lot of opportunities. And even last week, I negotiated another $500,000 paycheck in terms of people's salary. Okay, so what I want you guys to think about using the same strategy he did. Number one, you must really create your new product portfolio. And because the portfolio is going to help you stand out significantly based on your application compared with other candidate. And even when last week, I posted a new job opening, which is AI engineer interns for PMA, my company. And we already had like over 2,000 applications right now within a week. It's a lot of competition out there. So therefore, I recommend everybody to use the right strategies. And this portfolio is definitely going to help you stand out, which is the same thing as how Kanam, he actually was a consultant, become senior PM at Walmart. Okay. Okay, so cool. People ask quick intro. So let me also quickly introduce myself. When people join here, hello, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a direct product featured in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land a dream PM job offer in FANG companies, a unicorn startup, and continue to get promoted as a product leader. And lots of you guys actually know me through my YouTube channel. For people who are interested in additional coaching from me, go to drnancy.com and learn more. We have different kind of program based on your goals. Some is for people who want to break into PM. Some people want to become a director, and some of them actually just trying to continuously become an AI PM, have AI PM bootcamp as well. So many different opportunities for people out there. Feel free to go to drnancy.com and learn more. And today for the free resume review, now let's after talk about Kanam's story. Let me show you. Number one thing, if you're going out for interviews right now, you must use the latest interview question database to get ready for your upcoming interviews. Let me share the resources out there. And even if you don't go for FANG companies, but I want you to use the database to apply for different type of jobs out there. The reason is lots of companies out there, even if Hershey's chocolate companies are using the same interview questions database to interview the customers. Sorry, not customers, their candidates. So make sure to leverage the same resources and get ready to prepare for upcoming interviews. Okay, so now people also say, how do I join Zoom? I have 3 people on Zoom with me. Go to this, take a screenshot right now, actually, and then email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io, info@pmaccelerator.io. So you're going to get a Zoom link to join me live, info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, it's gonna show up there. And make sure the email title should be free resume review dash the date of attending masterclass. Okay, dash date of attending masterclass. So what is a masterclass? Which is where we teach you how to create a killer product manager portfolio within 2 weeks that will land your dream PM job offer, even if you're laid off, you have no experience. You can directly go to our homepage, Dr. and there's a button on the homepage you click here, or directly go to drnancy.com/masterclass, help you land the same place. Okay, so the masterclass teach you how to use a portfolio as a new strategy to land your next PM job offer. It's extremely important. Literally, within PMA, my company, when we hire AI engineer intern, we have over 2,000 applicants, and all those half of the applicant coming within first day. Within first day, I got 1,000. And then the number keeps going up every single day. We have actually only 5 days have 2,000 applicants already. So how to stand out from the competition? Number one thing is really create a product portfolio, because everyone just submit the application. How would you be able to do it better than other people? You really think about how would you be able to go above and beyond. So that's why you can go to drnancy.com/masterclass, start learning product portfolio, and over there we'll teach you different kind of product portfolio template, and 2 different product portfolio examples and 5 different product portfolio tools you can leverage to create your own product portfolio as well. Okay, so go here, and if you are ready, and go here and select the time that works best for you. Okay, and if you are somebody who already registered for the masterclass, want to prioritize you for resume review, because after the masterclass, we want you already have product portfolio ready, which we teach you in a class, and also you have your resume ready, and you go out for job interviews. It's going to literally increase your success rate significantly. Okay, so now, so therefore, make sure you mention when did you attend the masterclass so that you will be prioritized. All right, so now, and also make sure to check out our new podcast, Product Insider podcast. There's lots of great episodes coming up. Okay, and so you can search on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Okay, so now let me bring up people's resume. I have the resume saved on my drive. Okay. Right here. Okay. So let me see who else is with me right now. And also who else is out there. Let me see who else say. Agna, I saw you on LinkedIn. Welcome, welcome. Himansu, welcome. And Ashkat, yeah, Akashta, from San Francisco. We see lots of people say hi out there. This is awesome. Satish from San Francisco as well. I'm glad we are, after I moved the time to later of the day, we have more people from San Francisco. Austin, Texas, that's Vida. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so let's do live resume review. We have resume pre-submitted here. Let me see who else is here. Martville, which one is this one? Is your resume? Hello. Are you here? Hello? Can you unmute yourself?
Hello.
Hi, can you unmute yourself and introduce yourself quickly?
Yeah, my name is Mufid, and right now I'm working in data associate as in numerator. And yeah, apart from that, first I was into sales and services, and right now I'm working as data associate in numerator company. So right now we are creating insights of Walmart, Walgreens in terms of creating the data and putting into the software.
Okay, so
So
let me
that's a bit
review.
about me. Yeah, am I audible perfectly?
Yeah, I can kind of hear you.
Uh,
It's kind of cut
okay.
off a little bit.
Okay. Should I go
Okay.
again?
I roughly hear what you mentioned, your data background. Now you want to become a
Uh,
PM. So let me,
right.
your resume need lots of changes. Let
Okay.
me, data associate, instance. You need to completely rewrite your resume. Okay.
Okay.
You don't have enough keywords. So next week, make sure to check out my new YouTube video where I share with you behind scenes portal when I hire AI engineer interns for PMA was working with our student in the AI PM bootcamp to create an AI product together. I had over 2,000 applicants, and then I show you the portal from recruiters' perspective. And literally, we are looking for keyword search, the keywords results to match the candidate, or it will be extremely difficult for the candidates to like filter all 2,000 applicants out there. So what does this mean is you come here, right? So you have very little description and also keywords out there. So for example, you have data associate, the sales manager, all of those. Even your project, you mentioned product roadmap, that's it. But you didn't talk about product requirement documentation. And for example, go-to-market strategy, and all of those are missing, literally. And you should
Okay.
also write longer description regarding your real experience.
Uh-huh.
For example, part of the product management training program, that's no problem. Good for you.
Mm-hmm.
What did you do? You only
Mm-hmm.
talk about you collect customer insight, but there's just way more. After you collect insight, did you write requirement? Did you create any go-to-market strategy? Did you propose any features? Like, did you work in
Mm-hmm.
agile environment? All of those are missing. If you don't work
Okay.
on those, no problem, don't add it. If you have work on those, you need to
Mm-hmm.
add more content. There's like this missing content
Okay.
significantly. The missing content, there's no way the algorithm is going to pick you up. As I mentioned, like for PMA, I have a very small company. I had over 2,000 applicants. And the LinkedIn just do some basic recommendation based on all the keywords and skill set of the candidate. You don't have all the keywords, and also even if people click your resume, there's not enough content for them to really understand what you did. So this resume need to be completely rewritten. Okay, so let me show you the information you need to use. Go to my channel. Very important. Right here, just watch Product Manager Resume Tips playlist. All right, it has everything you need. And what's the keys? It's starting from the first one. I think you need all of those. You need to watch all of those. What keywords to put on, how to write, what sentences to include. All of those are here. And everyone make sure to go to our playlist. Literally, you need to watch everything because you're missing significantly what you are like missing on your resume, how to write it, the keywords, the structure, everything. Literally everything you really need it. Okay. So go to this playlist. Let me also put the information here for people to grab as well. Okay, let me put it on the LinkedIn and YouTube so you guys can watch it. This is the most important thing you must watch right away. Okay, so let me go to next resume. Yeah, please watch those, and you can also in the description of the video, and you can directly download the PM resume template, which is used by 14,000 product managers to land a dream PM job. You should go here and download this and really learn everything we teach you. You need to start from scratch. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so let me go
Thanks for
to
the
that.
feedback.
Yeah, no problem. You need to start from scratch 200%. Let me see. This. You Java, I hear.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Ma'am, myself Ujjwal Kumar, and I have completed my BTech from SRM Science and Technology recently in 2024 batch. and I haven't any experience currently in for PM, and I'm trying to get some experience. So yeah, I have given my resume for review.
Okay, let me see. So you already graduated this summer and transform the system if I do different project internships education. This resume is missing important things as well. Okay, so even if you're a student, you can still work on product management related project. So even if you didn't do internship. So now let's take a look at your project. First of all, number one thing, I really suggest you to really work on PM project. Right now, it's all engineering project.
Yes, ma'am.
There's nothing about PM. You should build your product portfolio and then put a product portfolio as a project in your description here.
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask, like, when I'm doing like a product management project, so I have to make different section for portfolio, or I can just add like project slash portfolio section.
You need a product portfolio for each of the project you work on, and also put the summary of your product portfolio experience here as a project you work on.
Okay. It means
Yeah.
I just put my product portfolio thing in project section.
No. You don't know how to do product portfolio. The product portfolio itself is like, let's say 10 pages of PowerPoint
Okay.
slides talking about your experience. We talk more in our masterclass regarding product portfolio. Okay. So you go there and learn product portfolio. So once you have those, your resume should describe what activities do you do in a product portfolio. So it come here, and I think you too. You missed the basic trainings. So let me go here. Watch this playlist and product portfolio playlist, which talk about how to use a product portfolio, different tools you should use, and also how the differences between resume and product portfolio. You must watch this as well. I think you're missing the basics. Okay, and during our master class, we gave you different product portfolio tools and a screenshot of product portfolio examples. You can take a look regarding what's look like and pick the time that works best for you. I think you don't know the basics of what is product portfolio, what's the differences between product portfolio and resume, and you should watch this one, which has lots of information.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, go take a look. Let me for people who have no clue the differences between product portfolio and resume, and let me put it here. Let me put the link. You guys should watch this. Make sure to give this resume and this video a like. And also everybody who already received the resume feedback, I would really appreciate you share any of our videos out there and tag me, and so that more people will receive lots of organic content and advice from us. Okay, cool. Really appreciate when you share, make sure to tag me. Now let me do this. Let me go to the next resume. Mary, Mary, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yes. I have
Do you mind turn on your camera if possible?
oh, my camera's down.
Okay, yeah, tell me more about yourself.
Sorry. Uh yeah, so I have a background in financial services, but I've done some projects in product management. I have a couple of degrees under my belt, and now I'm looking to pivot fully into product management, specifically like with consumers and as it relates to AI. But I guess I just need some assistance in how to repurpose some of my experience so that I can get that role.
Okay, cool. Okay, great. So it's right here, and let me see, skill. You got lots of degrees. You got MBA, and then you also get another master from Harvard. Good for you. Let me see. This need be changed. Okay, let's use this one as an example, right? So first of all, the first experience, you need to add more things you did, not just 2 bullet points. 2 bullet points not enough, 200% not enough. You need to have way more regarding what you did as an AI product analyst. For example, you mentioned conduct analysis of this. Is this some capabilities? Is this market research, right? If it's market research of Gemini's capabilities, what kind of impact or enhancement, the feature deployment? Okay, so I will rewrite your sentence here in the following ways you can describe, saying that propose product features and propose product features that influence the product roadmap, which is to create ABCD product. Because right now you talk about for what product enhancement is not very clear. I don't even know what did you do. Are you saying that you create ideas for Gemini to be a better product? Is that what you claim you did? You did?
Yeah, it was more so market research, though, to your point.
And then you're saying that after your market research, you propose to Google saying that the additional features Gemini needs to work on.
Yes.
Okay. In that case, I would rewrite your sentence, talk about conducting market research and propose product features to Google about Gemini, the AI platforms, things like this. And because proposed product features is way more important, and we don't know what exactly you did this analysis, so that you did what kind of product enhancement. We need to make it very clear. If the product is Gemini, you can just say it. The research is based on the new features proposed to enhance Gemini. Private component and the AI powered product feature leveraging Gemini's and feature model. And again, it's very vague. It's very vague. We don't know what exactly you did. Sounds like you're saying that collaborate with cross-functional team to implement new AI-powered product features. Like what kind of features? Again, is this Gemini? You create new features on Gemini? If so, congratulations. Just say what feature is it? And leveraging Gemini's advanced So looks like it's a new feature that's able to leverage Gemini's language model. And can you describe the feature? Can you use 5 words to describe your feature you have proposed for Gemini? Mary, are you there? Are you trying to speak up? You just unmute yourself.
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Can you use 5 words to describe what product features you built or proposed on top of Gemini?
Well, this is still ongoing, though, so it hasn't been implemented.
Whatever you propose, you can describe as well. You're saying that develop, implement. You said that develop and implement. Now it's just to let you know, it's very confused. I'm just telling you from recruiter's perspective.
Okay.
It's very confused. We just don't know. We don't know what did you build. And you say did something Gemini was like, you did the whole thing? Yeah, I hide it out, you know? If you didn't do the whole thing, tell us what you did. So right now it's very vague. Recruiters just don't know because we hide it out, you did the whole thing. So what exactly you did is very vague. All we want to understand is, oh, what feature did you do? What did you create? Oh, you did this. Everything is very extremely vague right now. We don't even know what you did. Yeah, you should be specific. Even propose some features. You can say propose ABCD features on Gemini to achieve ABCD outcomes. Okay, same thing. Let me see next one. Implement and tool for global client driven accelerate product price. Okay, so these is impact. The impact is totally fine. Okay, Again, we want to see what exactly you did. For example, if you develop and implemented AI chatbot toolkit as a software developer, is that what you meant? You developed the code? I don't think you did based on what you described because you got an MBA. There's no way you coded. But what exactly you did?
So
Driving, I like this impact. Can you just tell us what's your roles responsibilities? You're on mute.
yeah, so is that not clear? Like the
It's
AI.
not clear. This is impact. This is not roles responsibilities.
So what type of responsibility would be clearer? Yeah, I did not write the code. I did
So
not
what did you do? Did you do marketing? Did you write requirements?
So I
Did you
didn't write
conduct voice of customer interview? So what did you do?
I did I did the interviews and then requirements for the product. And I
Okay,
gave that to the team. Yeah. The
yeah,
software.
in that case, you should say this one more bullet point, conduct a voice of customer interview. And another bullet point regarding role product requirement documentation about ABCD product, all of those. So you're missing those key things because we don't know what exactly you did. We know this is a great impact. You basically, this is our impact and achievement. But what exactly you did, the two things you mentioned, you should write it on your resume.
Got it. So
Okay.
I think the rest of the resume is more impact then, right?
Yeah. Majority here is at least this is impact. There's like lots of impact here. And this is more roles, what you did, conduct A/B testing, something like this. This is great. Okay. So we need both impact plus your roles responsibilities, or it's just extremely vague. What exactly you did? Sounds like you work on Gemini, as the example said earlier. And this one, again, you did something about AI. So are you developer? Are you marketer? The same question.
Mama, look.
Edward, Mama is working.
Mama, look.
Sorry, Miss. Yes, it's very cool. Okay, cool. All right. So
No, I'm not a
let me.
marketer. So question for you for the overall, like this overall resume, like what additional things do I need to change to get like interviews for product management?
Yeah, you need to add all the responsibility related product. For example, in your second summary associate examples, you can describe conduct voice of customer interview, which is what you said you did. You also wrote product requirement documentation. You also did. So you write all the responsibility related product under each of the roles here.
Okay, perfect.
Is that clear? Yeah, just like we need this right now. It's just like this a great achievement, but what did you do?
Yeah, it's
That's the
more
main
implementation rather than the actual role. Okay, that's helpful.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So I would really appreciate you guys share any kind of like learning you had today and tag me on LinkedIn or share any of our YouTube videos. So all the PM keywords are here actually in my Product Manager resume tips playlist, which everything here you need to learn. Okay, each of the videos have different element of writing requirement. Writing in the Product Manager resume, you should go put it here. Okay, and learn. So let me go to next one. And Jie, are you here? Let me one sec. Okay, so people ask on YouTube, LinkedIn, how to get free resume review. Join me on Zoom. Here's what you do. Let me quickly give a review, and we go to Jie quickly. Everyone take a screenshot. I can email my team. info@pmaccelerator.io. Email my team. Which is all the information you need. Okay, and then your email title should be free resume review and dash the date of attending masterclass. Okay, so the masterclass is where we teach you how to create a portfolio. And I mentioned earlier, even for PMA, I had 2,000 applicants within 5 days for AI engineer position. It's crazy. Even AI engineer, that's like you imagine there's so many demand. Well, there's a lot of supply for AI engineer as well. It's crazy amount of like applicant coming in. So that's why if you already attend masterclass, and which is where we teach you how to create a portfolio, it's going to help you succeed significantly. And if you haven't, and here's like tips for you to go to this website, docness.com/masterclass. It's going to help you like create your own portfolio, help you stand off on the competition. There's no way recruiter gonna screening all the 2,000 applicants, and I want all of you guys to literally use the same methodology, okay, to quickly apply for those jobs and using product portfolio to speed up on your competition. Okay, so everything's out here, and feel free to go take a look and learn, and just let us know you already attended a masterclass, because your resume will be prioritized. Because at the masterclass, we teach you how to create a product portfolio, and then once you finish it, we also want you to have resume ready and go out for interviews. Okay, so that's why I want you to get prioritized. And then this, anybody who doesn't have like product portfolio list ready, how would you stand out from 2,000 applicants? I don't even have time to message all the applicants right now. I'm having my team to message all the applicants. You say, hey, tell me about your past experience. Everything, even read through the resumes. Like, no time to read everything, no time to message all the applicants. How would you stand out? You must use product portfolio. You can submit like many different ways. Literally, you guys, there's so many applicants out there. Of course, there's lots of job openings. Everyone is looking for AI engineers, but there are like 2,000 AI engineers trying to work for PMA. It's crazy. Yes, so try to use the new technology, new methodologies. Go here, documents.com/masterclass. Learn more. When you go to documents.com homepage, you can get more information over there as well. Let me put the link here in case people look for it. Okay, let me put on LinkedIn, on YouTube. You guys can go check it out. Yes, cool. Ratash, yes, Ratash, did you take a screenshot? You asked how to get a resume review. Just take a screenshot right here. Sorry, this one has my team's email, info@pmxr.io, and also for email title, free resume review, and date of attending masterclass. It's gonna send you Zoom link. Okay, cool. Now let me go to the next one. Jie is here. Let me see your resume. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yes, I can.
Can you turn on your camera if possible?
Oh, sorry, I cannot do that because I'm in China's time zone right now, and my
Wow,
roommate
it's 2
is sleeping.
a.m.
Yes, that's right.
So tell
And
me
my
more.
roommate is, yeah.
Tell me more
Okay,
about your background.
sure. So I'm a current master's student at University of Pennsylvania, and I'm graduating in this December this year, and I want to I want to look for the product manager or as associate product manager role as my graduating. So currently I'm doing a product manager intern at a medical instrument company, and we are doing the robotic surgical system. I also talked to you like during the new student assessment, if you
Welcome.
remember last time. Yeah.
Welcome. Okay, so let me already in the PMA. So let me see your resume.
I came from computer science background.
Yeah, so you got master computer science and oh yeah, you're doing the robotics, what arm
Yes.
stuff. Oh, I remember you. Yeah. Let me review your resume. Let me see. You should schedule one-on-one resume review with my team. They're gonna go through the rewrite your resume. Let me see. Let me have a high-level scan to see what's going on.
Yes, I did that, but I don't know. It's taking very long to schedule the one-on-one meeting.
Well, I have 3 resume writers. You should just talk to my team to pick the ones that have the nearest opening. But usually they can do it within the same week. Yeah, just tell them whoever, we have 3. So just say whoever is the first availability and tell them they can schedule this week right away. That's 200%, no problem. That's why I have 3. So we make sure we have, whenever you need it, we have at the same time this week for sure. Okay. So let me see which pretty good. I think you have lots of keywords. Make sure go to module 1. We have lots of training. We're gonna add the list of keywords and example to use. And also module 1.11, we are teach you guys how to tailor it for all different type of jobs out there. But in general, you have those. Let me see. Here. Give me
Yes.
some kind of impact.
Oh,
Try to figure out some kind of impact. For example, you did this. Even if it's not implemented, it's only an internship. Can you tell me, even if it's not implemented, is there any kind of like potential number of patients, potential user? Do you know the potential market size?
yeah. So we have we have 20 installment of our system currently around the world of this particular product.
Oh, perfect. You should talk about
Yeah,
deployed in 20.
but
I don't even see 20 deployment.
okay, but just I also have a question. So even if like this kind of like the number does not relate to anything what I did, because probably I'm also working on this product, but I did not like make an impact on the number of like installation or other like the number of procedures. Should I also talk about those numbers?
But your whatever robotic arm, the movement thing you did, the one you told me, was part of the whole
Yes.
robotics they sold, right? They still have your feature in it.
Um, like I did not work on a feature that has already like implemented it. Also have is on the market. I am like involved in a feature that is still developing, and we haven't like it's a generation that we have not
Oh,
have
okay,
it
no
on the
problem.
market. Yeah.
And then you describe on your resume this way. You can say, let's say ABCD, create an ABCD robotics positioning feature, da da da, and that that is deployed in version 2, whatever advanced version of your robotic system that is going to be potentially not that is going to have that has a potential market size of how many like hospitals, you talk about future potential, right? Because it's in the process getting deployment. Your first deployment already have 20 whatever deployment for robotic surgery plus let's say 200 procedures. The second version must be more than that, right? You can talk about the future, which is like second version of robotic surgery arm, which is going to impact the market size of 500 hospital impact. You didn't say deploy, right? Talk about impact the market size of 200 hospitals and 5,000 procedures as an example. Because you're not lying, you talk about impact, you also talk about this is in version 2 of your additional whatever robotics arms, and people understand how important this is. All right. And then during the interview, people ask you, so what feature did you describe? You tell them the truth and say, hey, I have this feature, and we taught you in the mock interview already regarding how to talk about your past experience, right? Actually, this experience is extremely impressive. None of my students work on something like this. Extremely impressive, seriously. So you just need to tell the story well as the way we train you inside of PMA, okay? And then people will maybe ask you, so how many people have been used this? Whatever robotics, whatever new procedure you had, you just tell them, hey, this is in the version 2. It's everything based on truth. This is version 2, right? We're introducing version 2 to majority market, and now this is potential market. The number of hospital will plan to hit and target. You can describe this way. And then where's the number coming from? Because in the version 1, we're already in 20 different hospitals with 500 procedures already. This is version 2. We will plan to grow whatever percentage or any different thing. Or you can ask your manager, one thing version 2, how many hospitals you want to introduce, right? You can ask about the future projection where the company needs to go. Everything is based on truth, but you must talk about how important the product is, because this is literally robotic surgery in hospitals. It's very advanced and you should do it. I worked on something like this back 6 years ago. Something like this, where we're doing edge computing with robotic surgeries. I know this is very cutting edge. People have been working on this. It's a very exciting field. You really need to make it clear to other people, right? For example, you can market a research competitors the features, right, of robotic surgery. Something like that, right? You need to describe what that is. After you told me, I felt very impressive, but you didn't put it here. If any recruiters read, oh, you're working on this of robotic surgery, that sounds really cool, right? And the part of requirement documentation of like software alignment of robotic surgery arms to ensure like something like this. The rest is great, right? So adding those keywords I mentioned, it will be significantly better. Okay, and also make sure to work with my team to run through the process to do line by line review. Okay, they're gonna fine tune what you have here, but that's the main thing you're missing. You work on something impressive, you didn't make it clear, but you do have lots of PM keywords, which I really like. Clearly took our training already in module 1. Okay, so now we also need to discuss, and I feel I have done more than as a customer success interns. I feel I've done more than just running data. For example, after you have any kind of insight, right? So would you be able to propose any kind of product features? But any insights, so there's a linking back to product you didn't mention, like insight on like user behavior patterns, right? I would describe this way. I would say propose product features based on the analytics of user insight patterns, which contribute 5% uplift of customer retention, right? You must propose something, implement it, or there's no way you have 5% increase, right? So therefore, you did it. So therefore, you write it in a different way. I propose product features or enhancement of ABCD products through like analyzing user behavior patterns and insight that proposal or led to 5% uplift as example, right? So you need to rewrite, work with my resume writer, rewrite each of sentence, make it more PM focused. And then add more PM keywords as well. You can keep your all the Python, all of those good technical keywords as well. You add more product related keywords. My team is going to help you out. Okay, and same thing. So each sentence do a line by line review. But what I see is you to rewrite the style we want you to write, and then add more things regarding your impressive product you built in the past. Actually, very impressive. Very few people can do it. Very cutting edge. Recruiters or people like to talk about, wow, you did this. This is cool. I like to learn more. Very cutting edge. So you have lots of assets you didn't know how to use. All right, so work with my team. Just find whatever is the first available among all my resume writers. You can just book with them this week for sure. Okay. Google APM program is opening in tomorrow, August 27th, open tomorrow. You should apply. So work with my team right away and apply right away. They only give you a short, I think only 2 weeks to apply. And get your product portfolio ready as well. Last year they asked for product portfolio when you apply in the description of job. And actually my team is editing a video about that. So you guys need to watch on my social channel once we're gonna post it like today or tomorrow, something like that.
May I ask if the APM roles are open for like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and I don't have time to like revise my resume with your team? Like, should I just submit it as soon as possible, or should I just wait after
No, you should wait.
revise?
You should finish you should finish resume review, but schedule right away. I believe we have 3 resume writers. You can book someone right away.
Yes.
Of course, if wait until like next week, don't wait for it. Right? If wait for 1 day, go ahead, you should wait.
Okay, sure. Okay. Because I tried to schedule from last week, and I have I will talk to them. Thank you.
Yeah. Just tell them whoever is first available and book it right. I believe Paul is available. He's in UK. You can book today.
Okay.
Just add them to give you the latest one and book right away for the earlier one.
Sure.
Of course, if you had to wait for a long time, let's say, if you cannot get it done this week, you submit right away. But I believe you can get it done this week.
Okay.
You also need your product portfolio as well. If you don't have portfolio, there's no way you can stand out.
No, I do not have one.
Yeah. Why don't you immediately you haven't seen my new YouTube video? It's a short video. It's supposed to be get edited right now. It's going to be posted ideally tomorrow, roughly. Okay. So last year we already saw the application page. They asked for product portfolio. In the application page, give a product portfolio or anything, a website, put it in this block. Okay, they want you to put it there. Even if it said it's optional,
Yes.
but if you don't put it there, as I said, PMA had 2,000 applicants for AI intern. Over 1,000 came in within the first day, and within 5 days, we have more than 2,000 applicants for AI intern. How do I know which one I need to read? Seriously. Okay, and then the AI just based on filter all the keywords. Even filter all the keywords, if everybody watched Dr. Nancy videos, I assume most of you guys saw all the PM keywords. And then among 2,000, maybe become 1,000 people have PM keywords. Within 1,000 people, who do I select? Or even review, not even select for interview, who do I take a look? Is overwhelmed, literally overwhelmed, even for my company. Can you imagine for Meta, Google, they're adding at least 2 zeros. So it's not 2,000 applicants, definitely like 200,000. Seriously, I'm serious. PMA at 2,000 applicants. You have Google, Meta, 200,000, 200%. Why people do not submit their product portfolio? There's no way it gets selected. It's like it's overwhelmed, even for my company. So you must have this. So therefore, create a product portfolio right away today, and book the resume review this week right away, and then you submit, and then it's more likely will get selected for interview. But ideally, you should do it last week. Okay, but do it ASAP.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Having a link, then not having a link is different things. For example, after you submit the link to a product portfolio, you can still update the content, right?
Yes.
Right? You can have
That's
some
right.
high-level product portfolio link, right? You submit first, and then when they click it, you never know when they click it. If you submit today, I guarantee you they won't click it within 2 days at least. At least in my company, so overwhelmed. If people click it, you're lucky. So you still have time to update it to make it perfect. But when you submit, you have a link with some kind of content of your product portfolio. But we have lots of product. We have 20 different product portfolio examples and template. You should go use it ASAP.
What do you mean by template?
Module 4 you can download. If you don't know
Okay,
how to
sure.
find those, yeah, it's module 4. We have 20 different product portfolio examples and template. You can use it.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
thank
and
you.
recommended tools and template all in module 4. You did ASAP, literally. Oh my goodness. So it's like you don't know how many applicants I see. I was overwhelmed. I was like, oh, PMA. I'm like, yeah, get some AI interns. 2,000. I expect maybe 200 applicants. I can get like 5. Good enough. You know what? 2,000. I'm getting like over hundreds of qualified candidates, but I cannot take all hundreds. That's what's going on. Think of Meta, Google, Apple. So really need to up your game. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, I hope this is inspiration for everybody who listening right now. Anybody listening on YouTube or Meta, LinkedIn, YouTube, LinkedIn. Anyone who is joining me live right now? Anyone who's joining me live right now? Come on the chat. Did you hear what the latest trend right now? Is crazy. It literally is crazy right now. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah. All right. So looks like how to get resume review. People ask, Sashi, oh yeah, how do you get resume review? Let me share with you again. Right here, take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot. You have free resume review right here. Right here, take a screenshot. To get free coaching, email info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, immediately, and then you're going to like directly schedule your next free resume review with me, but you must email my team, email title regarding free resume review --state of training masterclass. What is a masterclass? You go to this website, drnancy.com, or just drnancy.com/masterclass. Either way is fine. My homepage lead to here. Okay, and then you can sign up for a masterclass, which show you how to create a product portfolio, different template and examples. You must use the latest and best strategies to create one. Literally, the competition is too strong. My company had 2,000 applicants. It means like a small company. I don't expect that many. It's crazy. Okay, so yes, you should do the same thing. Okay. Cool. Oh, by the way, we have new webs here. What I mean by the website, we have a new website. I want you to go to our brand new website. Very happy. Okay, so the link take you to the next masterclass right here. And then we have summary of our entire different kind of programs. You guys can check it out from end-to-end PMA Pro, PowerScale Leader, AI PM. You can check out, or you can book for one-on-one services. And want to have your one-on-one resume review, have me or my team to write your resume line by line. You can go to this website, docnessly.com. Go to homepage / Product Manager resume. You can go to this page right now, but on our homepage, you can navigate to this page easier. Okay, and then just choose different kind of packages most suitable for you. Okay, we know what's the latest process. You will get selected in the job interview process. Okay, so come here, docness.com. And learn more, and also go to info.pmsearch.io. My team is going to help you book the next session with me. Okay, great, cool. Anybody feedback? Really appreciate your time. Must be yes, thank you. Yeah. Do me a favor, please share any of our content and lesson learned on LinkedIn and tag me or any other social channel. Anything you want to share or any learning you have, please tag me. I really appreciate, because more people will get our free organic content. Okay, great. Talk soon. See you guys soon. Good night.